First, check the video. It looks super clean and amazing, just like real Lego Marvel characters. Spider-Man, Iron Man, Captain America. Every character is available, and the best part is that we made all of this using a 100% free AI tool. Now let's look at the channel Marvel HQ. This channel has 3.45 million views on over 2,000 videos, and it is based in the United States. That means they earn millions of dollars every single month. Yes, millions. Their videos also get millions of views. Go to their channel, click on Shorts, then click on Popular. You will see that almost every video has millions of views, and many of them even cross 50 million plus views. And what kind of videos do they make? They create Lego Marvel-style animations featuring characters like Spider-Man, Hulk, Iron Man, Captain America, all in the same Lego Marvel style. Now friends, this next step is very important. First, go back to the channel and look carefully at which video has the most beautiful thumbnail and the best overall design. Choose the thumbnails that stand out, look attractive, and match the Lego Marvel style we want to create. Take 2 to 3 clear screenshots of the best thumbnails. These screenshots will be used as reference for creating your own Lego Marvel images. Once you have the screenshots, open ChatGPT. Make sure you are using ChatGPT 5.1 because it is the most powerful AI model available right now. Now upload the screenshots you took from the channel. After uploading, type this. I want to create Lego Marvel-style image prompts based on these screenshots. Please give me 10 detailed image prompts. Click Generate. ChatGPT will now create 10 perfect Lego-style image prompts for you. After that, ask, please also give me 10 motion prompts for animation. ChatGPT will then provide a full set of motion prompts along with your image prompts. Now you have everything you need, your image prompts and your motion action prompts. My friends, the next part is extremely important because now we will create our images using a 100% free AI tool. No subscription, no payment, completely free. So let's go! Creating images with Grock AI. I will give the link in the description. Open Grock AI, one of the best free AI tools available today. It's completely free, no subscription, no credits needed, unlimited usage. Once you open Grock AI, go to Settings, go to Behavior. Turn off the Auto Video Generator option. I have already turned it off for you in the example. Now we are ready to create images. On the left side, click on Imagine. On the right side, you will see the option for video, but ignore that for now. First, we will create images. Select Image Mode, then choose the image ratio you want. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy your first image prompt. Paste it into Grock AI's box and click Generate. Just wait a few seconds. Boom! Your first image is ready. And wow, it looks amazing. It looks like real Lego Spider-Man, Iron Man, Hulk, whatever you selected. Absolutely beautiful. Repeat the same process for all your remaining prompts. When all images are ready, save them to your PC. Creating videos in Grock AI. Now it's time to create videos. Go back to Imagine, but this time choose the video option. Select the video ratio you need. For shorts, use 9:16. Now go back to ChatGPT again and copy your first motion prompt. Paste it into Grock and click Generate. Just wait a few seconds. Boom! Your video is ready. Smooth, clean, and super realistic. The movement looks amazing, like a real Lego Marvel animation. This is the power of Grock AI. It creates unlimited images and videos for free. No credits needed, no payment, nothing. Now repeat the same steps. Paste the next motion prompt. Click Generate. Grock AI brings creators a level of freedom that most paid tools can't match. With advanced image and video generation built directly into one platform, it lets you create animations faster than traditional software. The AI engine inside Grock is trained to understand lighting, motion, camera angles, and character details, which is why the results look so smooth and realistic, even in fast-paced action scenes. For beginners and professionals alike, Grock AI removes all technical barriers. You don't need editing experience. You don't need animation skills. Just type your idea, click Generate, and Grock brings it to life. What makes Grock AI truly special is its simplicity. The interface is clean, easy to use, and built for speed. Whether you're creating shorts, thumbnails, cinematic scenes, or full animations, Grok handles everything effortlessly. Content creators love Grock AI because it delivers instant results. No waiting, no complicated settings, just pure creativity with one click. And while other platforms limit you with credits, watermarks, and subscriptions, Grock AI gives you complete creative freedom. Unlimited images, unlimited videos, 100% free. For YouTubers, animators, and storytellers, Grock AI is the tool that turns imagination into high-quality content in seconds. It's fast, it's powerful, it's free, and it's changing the future of AI animation. Download the video. Continue until all your videos are ready. Once everything is complete, download all the videos and save them to your PC. Now only the final step remains. Now open CapCut. Import all your AI-generated clips into the timeline in the correct order. Make a few simple adjustments to improve your video. Adjust the playback speed, fix the brightness. Adjust the contrast. Add a bit of sharpness. Balance the highlights and shadows. Next, add smooth transitions like fade to black or cross dissolve. These small edits will make your video look clean, cinematic, and professional. After that, add background music, sound effects, and any final touches that fit your style. When everything looks perfect, export your video. And always choose 4K quality for the best results. And just like that, your AI animated video is complete. Clean, smooth, beautiful, and professional. It truly looks like something created by a full animation studio. My friend, we just created a complete animated short video 100% free using AI, just like Marvel HQ does. I worked hard to bring you this full step-by-step tutorial, so please like and subscribe to the channel, my friends.